Hey, 7th graders, Mr. Allard here with a video lesson on some tips and pointers on how to do our Chapter 4 vocab packet. So if you're watching this video, it'd be a really smart move to have your Chapter 4 vocab packet out in front of you. All right, here we go. All right, so it looks like I got source right here. Now, one of the things that we really talked about in class is you can use it right here, and mine's gonna change the dimensions of everything and all that stuff. But really think of that vocab example explain. Right? So if our vocabulary word up here is source, think of an example that you could use with source in it, right? Use the example that we talked about in class. Use your notes, right? We've called, in different classes, we called the document that we looked at the 9/11 document, the Gander document, whatever it is. All right, so let's say the 9/11 document. And then say, who was the source, right? It was Petula Dvorak. Now, we didn't know who that was, right? We didn't know who that was, but that's okay. That's who the source was for that document. So we could say the source of the 9/11 document was Petula Dvorak. We got like 9 words there. I know you know what source is because you've got the you've got an actual source there. We can't keep writing these sentences. The source is the author of the document, the type of document it is. That's just copying down the definition. Okay? But what we can use that definition for is we can use that to get our one-word definitions, right? Could this be a one-word definition? Sure could. Could this be a one-word definition? Sure could. Could that be a one-word definition? Sure could. All right. Moving on. Same thing. One-word definitions. Yep. 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 All those could go over there. Same idea as we just did. Now your vocab term is historical context. Both of those words have to be in your sentence. Your example, right? Same idea. Let's use the 9/11 document we talked about in class. Explanation. What was the explanation of that? Right? We talked about it. That's pretty much when it took place. So the historical context of the 9/11 document was, you can say, the 15th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks. Boom. And then you can put that together. The historical context of the 9/11 document was the 15th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks. I'm not going to talk too much about pictures in this because I'm pretty sure, look at your one-word definitions. Draw something about time. Draw the setting. Draw something about when. Calendar, clock, something along those lines. Intended audience. We should be getting it by now, right? Vocab. Intended audience. Let's see what else we got here. Example. Explain. And if you guys want me to put these somewhere on your document, I can put these, like there's a back page open that I could put these on. I don't think they would be a good idea to fit them in the prayer model boxes like this. But same thing. Use the same example. 9/11 document. Right? Who was the intended audience? Right? We said readers interested in 9/11. Boom. The intended audience of the 9/11 document was readers interested in 9/11. Okay? I know you know what the intended audience is. I know you've given me an example and you've explained it. Okay? It's really, really, if you have a good working knowledge and a good example, you can use it over and over and over again on these. I don't know what's happening with my formatting here, but I don't want to mess it up. vocab word. This time is purpose. Can use our same example. Don't try to rethink things. I see this all the time. People have, like, I don't know if you get like tired or something, but we have 3 good sentences right in a row, and then we just copy the definition. Okay? Keep the same example. Go to your chapter 4 notes. Go to your chapter 4 ships vocab or ships document that we used. Okay? Explain. All right, so what was the purpose of that document? That purpose of the document was to tell how the people of Gander helped people stranded by the 9/11 attacks. Right? That was the purpose. Okay? So again, the purpose of the 9/11 document, or you could call it the 9/11 article if you want to switch it around, all right, was to explain how the people of Gander helped people stranded by 9/11 attacks. I know you know what purpose is. I know you know why this document was created. Get rid of that. Oops. Sure, my formatting's still the same. Good. Summary looks good. Vocab, summary, explain, example. All right, use the same one. 9/11 document, not reinventing the wheel here. What was our summary? All right, what was it about? It was about 9/11. So the summary of the 9/11 document was 9/11. Well, we got to get, probably got to get a little bit more detail in there. Was events. Ooh, here's where we can get a buzzword in here, because what caused them to be there? Ooh, I just said it, right? Causes of 9/11. Boom. The summary of the 9/11 document was about causes of 9/11. Now that's how you get a bonus point in there. I'm keeping track of the bonus points. The bonus points are going to help your grade not only on the quizzes but also your overall grade. So make sure we get that written as a sentence. Again, I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time on your one words, right? That could be a one word. This could be a one word, right? We're not having too much problems with those. All right, so that was a quick video on how to go over Chapter 4 vocab. If you have any questions, as always, hit me up on Schoology. Until next time, 7th graders, out.